The ore begins its journey to the processing plant. Every truck carries several tons of diamond-bearing rock. The first processing stage removes oversized rock. Large stones enter the primary crusher.
The crusher reduces the ore without damaging the diamonds. Only the surrounding rock is broken.
The ore is crushed into smaller uniform pieces. This prepares it for washing. Powerful water removes dirt and clay. Only clean mineral concentrate continues. The cleaned ore is separated by size. Only the correct sized material continues for diamond recovery. The high-speed buffing machine polishes the gold to a perfect mirror finish before moving on to the final inspection. Laser guides ensure perfect precision. The cutting path is permanently marked. The laser begins the first precision cut. Every millimeter matters. The rough diamond is divided. Each section will become a valuable gemstone. Bruting creates the diamond's perfect round shape. This stage defines its symmetry. The very first facet is polished. The diamond finally begins to shine. Each crown facet is polished with microscopic precision. Perfect angles create maximum sparkle. The pavilion directs light back through the diamond. This creates its famous brilliance. Every facet receives a flawless mirror finish. The diamond reaches its full beauty.
The finished diamond is graded using the International 4 Cs. Only top-quality stones move forward.
The natural diamond is now complete. Next, it will become the centerpiece of a luxury ring.
How are the levels looking?
Perfect. The copper and silver are fully integrated.
The molten alloy fills every detail of the casting mold. This creates the basic ring structure. The molten alloy fills every detail of the casting mold. This creates the basic ring structure. The ring is separated from the casting tree. Extra metal is carefully removed. After cooling, the mold is removed. The rough gold ring is finally revealed. Computer-controlled machining creates perfect dimensions. The ring is prepared for stone setting. Experienced craftsmen perfect every detail. Even tiny imperfections are removed by hand. The ring is adjusted to fit the exact diamond. Perfect alignment is essential. The brilliant diamond is carefully positioned. Every movement requires absolute precision. Each prong is tightened to lock the diamond securely. The luxury ring is now taking its final shape. The ring receives its first mirror polishing. Every surface is refined to a flawless shine. Ultrasonic cleaning removes every polishing residue. The diamond regains its maximum brilliance. Quality inspectors test the ring for strength and security. Only flawless jewelry earns final approval.
The ring receives its permanent identification marks. These engravings guarantee authenticity.
From deep beneath the earth to a masterpiece of luxury and craftsmanship. Millions of years beneath the earth have become a timeless symbol of beauty. The journey from rough stone to luxury diamond ring is finally complete. Every luxury diamond ring is photographed under professional lighting. These images showcase its true brilliance. The ring is displayed inside an elegant jewelry showroom. Carefully positioned lighting enhances every sparkle. The finished masterpiece is ready for customers. Every ring is handled with exceptional care. The diamond's quality is explained using the internationally recognized 4 Cs. Every detail confirms its exceptional craftsmanship.
The certified ring is prepared for its new owner. Every purchase includes official documentation.
The finished ring is transformed into a luxury gift. Elegant presentation makes every moment unforgettable. The finished ring is transformed into a luxury gift. Elegant presentation makes every moment unforgettable. The journey from deep underground ends in a truly special moment, a symbol of love and timeless craftsmanship.
From deep within the earth to a masterpiece of luxury, this is the incredible journey of a natural diamond.
Every polished facet reflects years of expert craftsmanship. The finished diamond now shines with breathtaking brilliance.
Each facet is polished to maximize brilliance. Even microscopic details meet luxury standards. A final inspection confirms flawless craftsmanship. The ring is ready for its worldwide journey. Automated logistics prepare each order for delivery. Every package is tracked from factory to customer. The finished ring begins its journey around the world. Luxury craftsmanship reaches customers everywhere. From rough crystal to timeless luxury, every ring tells an extraordinary story. Nature created the diamond. Human craftsmanship revealed its true beauty. Millions of years beneath the earth, transformed through precision engineering and skilled craftsmanship. A masterpiece born from Earth's deepest treasures. Crafted to last for generations. Precision in every angle. Perfection in every detail. The remarkable journey is complete. One natural diamond transformed into timeless luxury. From deep earth mining to a luxury masterpiece, this is the incredible journey of a natural diamond.
Thank you for watching the complete journey of how diamonds become luxury rings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible factory process videos.